Hello, good evening everyone. You see here, it is April 4th, a little before 9 p.m. Eastern. What a day. Looking at a chart of NQ, daily view. So just a cleaner view, right? So big day today, right? So the markets opened up kind of all right. They kept elevated overnight and then started really rallying and right into this nice looking down trend line, and we got a nice rejection from there. And once we got rejected from there, in the lower time frame, we broke below some key levels, which it should not have if it was a bullish day. And then even Nvidia, it was free falling right from the downtrend line. AMD was not participating even with the bullish market, and the rest of the names also they opened kind of a little bit strong, but then they all kind of gave up towards the midday. And here's a chart of QQQ, pretty similar to NQ, right? Here's the downtrend line, 1, 2, and third touch rejection, and a big move down, big volume. So it looks like it can go towards this 432.9. We never know. We kind of open tomorrow morning with a gap down, so we will see. But NQ was total love today. Really banked some good bucks in this one. But yeah, I mean, look at this. Even like a 5-minute view, it's completely, just did not have any buyers, right? Even this, oops, not a good line, but even this uptrend line, right? This even broke down, right? Even this broke down. So yeah, I mean, one level after the other. Here's the market open, right? Around 9:30, we started rallying. A little bit of dip towards the midday, another rally towards like 12:30 lunchtime. Classic double top, and then the free fall. Yeah. So I did not get to record the sessions this week. Just was busy with my own personal trading and just stuff. But yeah, let's do one thing. Let's go to NinjaTrader. I'll open the playback here, and we'll run both the strategies, the EMA and the max, for today, right? With different settings, and see how it went. So here's a 150 tick chart. Let's go to this is already 9 o'clock almost. So let's do one thing. Let's start with EMA, right? Let's do the EMA first, and I will use my default template, the regular, right? Yeah, and we'll apply that, enable it, and basically we're saying that, above 40 distance, start taking the trades. Okay, so try to forward this thing a little bit, around that 500 speed, just so that we don't sit here all day looking at this thing. Okay, so all right,
order filled.
So I believe it's a $10 10-point stop loss and around 25-point profit, right? So it's a little skewed towards the reward side.
Order filled.
Okay,
Stop filled.
It's almost 10 o'clock. We got one stop and one good trade.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Another stop. Let's keep going. See, this is a little chop right here. It's not going to take any trade here. Only when some sort of a little trend develops. Let's see. We should take the trade.
Order filled.
Okay. This one is
Order
good.
filled.
You can always move your stop loss here as well, right? I'm just not doing it for right now. Let's just keep it this way. See what happens.
Stop filled.
Of course, got the stop loss. Okay.
Order filled.
And this is where the action will happen, right? All the
Order filled.
nice move to the downside. This is where it should do good.
Order stop filled.
Okay, one stop. Let's keep going.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Or stop filled.
Stops. We'll go to like 330 or something.
Order filled. Order stop filled.
Okay. And this is one contract on a 150 tick chart.
Order stop
So
filled. Order filled.
okay.
Order filled.
So okay, it stopped by itself because I think I had a $3,000 profit limit threshold on it, and once it reaches, it stops there. Okay, so that's that. Now let's take it all the way back, and let's run this time around with the 200 filter, right? With the 200 filter on. That's one of the other settings that I like for the bot. Let's see what that one did, and I think I keep it like around 14 or something, and above distance is fine. Okay, so let's see what this particular setting of the bot, how did that perform. Okay, I think it will start taking trades from 9:30 onwards. Okay.
Order stop filled.
That's first as a stop. Okay, so 10-point stop loss. 101 standard contracts, that's $200, and then you have
Order
a
filled.
little bit of commission. Okay. Oh, this one has a template where it moves the stop loss, I think, to break even once it runs maybe 10 or 15 points in your favor. I think so. Let's see. Yeah, so if once it moves 15 points, the stop loss
Order stop
comes to 0 or to break even. Again, it just depends on how you want to play it, but we'll just keep it the way I have kept it. So we'll keep going till like 3:30 and see where we are. And this particular setting will not give you a whole bunch of trades, right? Because it's kind of selective in terms of
Order
this,
filled.
the setting for this bot. For this particular setting is pretty selective in terms of where it wants to give you the trade, right? Which is basically considers the 200 EMA. It looks for a deeper pullback. That's what I should say. So, okay. So that's where the afternoon dump started. And see, there's no trades here. The EMA regular setting would have been taking trades here, which we just saw earlier. Max would trade trades here as well, but this particular setting is looking for a little bit of deeper pullback. See, that was a deeper pullback.
Order stop filled.
And a couple of stops there. All right.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, so kind of flattish for the day for right now. Yeah. We'll keep going to like 3:30 or 4 or something like that. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay. Some love there. Alright, let's maybe another 15-20 minutes. Okay. So, stop there. Oh, yeah, not bad. Okay. Now let's remove this thing. And so these are all the trades get published. But okay, let's go back again, right, to whatever, 9 o'clock. And let's put the UC Max. Where's that? There you go. Okay, and for this one, we'll also use the regular one. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, start time. So this one again, if you have the license, you will see that this looks a little different. That's because I have removed the trade number of trade parameter and just kind of replaced it with a little bit more flexibility, where I've added, like, you know, hey, you want to trade above or below the distance, and you can decide the distance on your own, just like an EMA, right? If you want that option is there. But again, you don't have to if you don't like it, but I just wanted to kind of do that and see. So that's why you see that. So we'll go with the regular max. We want the trades above 45 distance, and right, you know, that's probably a little not on the conservative side, but still kind of, you know, on the trend side, keeping the trend on our side. Okay. So again, looks like a 10-point stop loss with about 25-point profit. Okay. All right. With one contract, we'll see what happens. So one good trade, one stop loss there. It actually did go in your favor, but we do not manually trade that. Another stop. Okay. It's almost 10 o'clock. We'll keep going.
Order filled. Order stop.
Okay, a couple of stops there again. I'm pretty sure. Well, I also traded that, so I mean, I only traded, I think, 2 or 3 trades in the downtrend because I had a runner today, so
Order
I
filled.
mostly traded that. But
Order filled.
okay. Yeah, I mean, you can definitely raise your stop loss here to break even, right? But we'll just keep going. I don't think this template has that because this is a where's that regular? Yeah,
Stop filled.
yeah. This one does not have that. It does not increase
Order
your
filled.
stop loss to break even after
Order
move.
filled.
So, okay, we'll keep going till like 3:30.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is the move. This is the
Order
type
stop.
of
Order
structure
filled.
the max really
Order
kills.
filled.
You know, this is its sweet spot.
Filled. Stop filled.
Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay.
Order stop filled.
Stop.
Or stop filled.
Stop. All right. Going to like
Order
3:30ish.
filled. Order stop filled. Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Almost 3:30.
Order stop filled.
Okay, I think that should.
Order filled. Order
That's enough.
filled.
Okay, so let's disable that, remove that. So we already played it 3 times, 2 times on the EMA, 1 using the max, and
Stop filled.
okay. Now let's do one more thing. One of the members who has the license for both, she recommended, or she suggested that we play around with this NinzaRenko, sorry, bar. So let's try that actually as well. So let's go to NinzaRenko. I think it was 12.4, right? And it's a pretty, looks like a nice scalping technique, right? So let's try that. Ooh, that's kind of weird looking chart. Okay. What we'll do, I think I do have a NinzaRenko. So let's do this thing. Strategies. Let's do EMA. Load. Regular. I think the way she did was she was ignoring these. Let's just keep this to Renko. Okay. Okay, and the distance was 20. Apply. Okay, enable below distance 20. That's what the thing was. I just want to see what the template is. NinzaRenko. So trading with 5 contracts. Okay, let's just say we want to trade with 3 contracts. Okay, so the stop loss is, I think she said 40 or 30. Let's use 30. Not sure. I think it was 30. Okay, and the profit was 2.5 points. So we'll save that one. So this is a pure scalping technique, right? We're just looking for quick points, and we'll see how it does. So we'll stop at like maybe, I don't know, a few $100 or maybe $1,000 if it can give us. We just want to see what it does. Okay, so it's a NinzaRenko candle type, and we are running the UC EMA on this thing. It will only take the trade when the distance is below 20. That's why it's not doing anything right now. Oh, I don't have my EMAs on the chart, but it's okay. We'll see what happens. If it trades.
Order filled.
Okay, there's one
Order
trade.
filled. Order stop filled. Order filled.
Interesting. Because
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I like that. So I think you can purely trade this thing with a higher number of contracts, right? Because you're just because the win ratio is so high, and you only want
Order
uh,
filled. Order filled.
there you go. Just gonna stop this thing. Let's go to trade performance. I really want to see the trade performance this thing has. Okay, 3, 4. Sorry, let me bring the chart here. Oops, there you go. So look at that percentage win ratio, 89% almost. Wow. And like that, the trades. Let's take that away. So yeah, so you're targeting. So I was trading with 3 contracts, right? So that's why almost $135 is my profit per trade. And then if I lose almost $450, right? Which did happen twice from the time we started trading this thing, like from 9 o'clock till 11. These are all the trades. So if you're trading with higher number of contracts, you want a higher win ratio, right? Because you don't want a big drawdown. So not bad. I'll play around with this myself a little bit more. So thank you, Aj. Really good find. Let's keep going. I want to see what happens. Can we go to 2K?
Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Stop. Yeah, it's not going to give you trades when this trend is there because your criteria is not that, right? You're not trying to catch trends here. You just want to trade when the market is sideways, choppy, whatever, and you just want quick profits. So interesting.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Stop. Yeah, I think probably will not give me more trades here because it's trending at this time. So when it's trending, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna give me anything. Okay, not bad, not bad. So yeah, it
Order
was
filled. Order filled.
That's a couple of trades there. And we'll see if we can get one more trade. Take it. There you go.
Filled.
So you see the win ratio is pretty high with this thing, and you can kind of crawl back up above 1,000 with this thing, even with a couple of losses here. So let's remove this thing and see. These are all our trades. See, when the market is sideways, that's where it gives you the trades, right? You don't get trades in the trend, not at all, right? So yeah, I like this, right? So try it out if you have this thing, and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, have a good rest of your evening. Just wanted to make this quick video and share with you guys out there. I'll try to make a more detailed video over the weekend, and if you have any questions, comment, let me know. All right, have a good rest of your night. Bye bye.